At least we got Swift's army behind. Dude, can you help us out with the walls?
What?
These walls. We're all just about done, but...
I don't want to fucking build the walls, mate. I'm not a fucking mason. I'm a fucking commander, that's what I am. Fuck you.
Dude, they pretty much listen to me.
Oh, do they really now? Because it seems like you've got 2 rogue players on your team, mate.
Watch this. Hey Gordon, go to the barracks and switch to rifleman.
Well, just because he's your fucking that boy doesn't mean I am.
Great, now I got...
he's still standing there, mate.
That's it, I'm hacking this tank.
You're gonna hack the tank then?
Yeah, it's kinda easy. Frickin' automated.
You alright, having a seizure?
I hate you so much.
Yeah, you calm down, mate, that's what you need to do.
That's it, fire in the hole.
Oh, it's...
did anyone hear something?
It's business now, ain't it?
Whoa!
Our defensive turrets is under attack.
Shouldn't we probably go take them out?
I didn't think we should. You should have movement for 2.
Okay, you're just a British stereotype, no offense, but you kinda are stereotyping every British person I've met.
Oh, you've met a lot of British people, huh?
Yes.
That's quite
And
right.
there's a frickin' APC trying to take us out. Now, will you guys get some rocket launchers and take him out?
Alright, we'll do it. Alright, mate, we'll do it. Come down.
Thank you.
I'm kidding, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna keep running around! Yeah, fucking...
Okay, truthfully, are you like Scottish or something?
What?
You kinda have that Scottish tone, truthfully.
I'm from Glasgow.
The barracks is under attack.
Someone seriously needs to...
Turret is under attack.
Hello? Will you guys get some frickin' rocket launchers? Oh, you know what, screw it, I'm going to the other team.
You're just gonna put a rocket launcher in his mouth?
Please just understand, join this team so I can go to the other team.
What?
Our defensive turrets is under attack.
Oh, you're attacking us, mate. What are you doing?
Let's see. What the hell do you think? I'm trying to get a rocket launcher.
We need to try harder, mate. Because they're still attacking our base and you're not doing shit.
Yeah, you're either Irish or Scottish.
And you're either retarded or just stupid.
He's stereotyping again. Oh my god. If other British people... Yeah, clearly he's Scottish.
Scottish?
Or Irish, whichever. I really don't care.
Well, you should care, mate.
Dude, I'm part Scottish and Irish. It doesn't really matter.
If it weren't for you, you dirty Americans wouldn't be so dirty, would you?
I hate you all.
Oh, that's not very nice.
Dude, I'm friendly. Dude, Gordon, it's me.
Dude, I'm offended.
Fine, screw you. Gordon, it's me.
Alright, mate.
Okay, I'm about to...
We're gonna do it. You and me, friend. We're gonna do this. We're gonna beat them. We're gonna win.
What do you think the chances of them beating them are? Like what, 5 to 1 million? What are you shooting? Oh, come on. Eat rocket. Oh, crap. Hey, it missed me. Still missing. Haha. Yeah, what now? What now? Yeah. Haha.
Mate.
Oh, come on, another one. I don't even have enough rockets.
You got played.
Ah! He killed...
Oi, does anybody know how to access the commander menu? Because it's just been riding around in this tank. I have no idea what I'm doing.
Well, I would tell you, but let's see, now.
Oh, well, I'm trying to be helpful here.
Yeah, well, a commander trying to build stuff ain't exactly helpful in a fighting situation. Now, is it?
Well, I can't do my job if I don't know how to access the menu now, can I?
Just press F2.
F2 then. Oh,
Yeah.
very nice.
Okay, seriously, dude,
Oh,
are you like trying to... Oh my god, this is just not funny at all. He's stereotyping every British person, Scottish, or Irish I've ever met. And that's a lot of people.
What? Do you know a whole clan of Irishmen then?
Gordon, what do you do?
I think he's masturbating, mate. I think you should go help him.
My god. Seriously, Gordon, wait, is that a mortar? Hey. What the hell? Oh, sweet am I. Oh yeah, I completely forgot I had these. What the fuck? What the hell? What the bloody... Dude, you know I can't build. I'm just gonna lay some mines. Wow, you're retarded. And he's wasting our
I think I'm alright. Good commander.
resources. You would be if this stuff was in the base, not outside it where they can clearly hit us. And where is that? Holy crap, that's a radar
You guys
station.
want an armory because you got one.
Sweet. That's the only building that's supposed to be outside. Two of them. Are you like using these for cover?
Mate, I've never played this before in my life.
We're losing the radar.
Nor am I an admin, so I gotta get it.
OMG, WTF, BB.
Our defensive armor.
One more hit and he should be dead.
Oh, yeah. Oh. Well, now you're dead, mate. Good job.
Heavy rifle for the win. I'm moving in.
Do you spend a lot of time on the internet, mate?
Maybe.
Because it sounds like you spend a lot of time on the internet.
Nah, dude, it's just because it's been raining like for the past few weeks.
Oh, sure, that's your excuse. Although the past few weeks it's just been pouring outside, has it?
Yes.
You can't put on a raincoat then.
Dude, I don't even... It's freezing rain, man. I don't think a raincoat's really gonna help. Ow.
Well, it's freezing rain now.
Yeah, pretty much.
It's June, mate. Do you live in Alaska?
Yes.
I am seriously doubt that.
How did I this guy? He was like 1 foot away from me and I missed him.